how to fix Valorant. The build of Vanguard problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, just type here edit, and here's it, policy, click on it, and after that, once you're here, go to move this one like that, and now select the third one here, and then click Windows, components, and now here we'll find a BitLocker drive encryption. Click on it, and here's it, the second one here, operating system drivers, and click on it, and here you need to find this one. Requires additional authentication at startup, the first one here, not this one. Now just double click on it, and here click enable it and apply, and then OK, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.